show you guys how to change door hinges. And like if they're old, they're painted, they're no good, how we're gonna replace them. And we have, as you see, we got 1, 2, 3, because we got 1, 2, and 3 on the top. So, and then you have 3 holes, that's 6. So we got 6 screws, 6 screws for this one, 6 screws for that one. So I mean, you don't have to take the door out. First of all, I know some people probably wonder, like, do I have to take the whole door out? That's a lot of work. Well, today I'm gonna show you guys you don't have to take the door out, and it's so easy and simple to change one of this. The first thing you do, I will definitely look at it, and if you see, like, you try to match it up. As I said, it's so easy to match stuff up. So first of all, you want to see your door, how your door is open. Your door is closing this way, and then it open that way to the left. So if you have this right now, see the right, that's the front side. So basically you want your door to open that way. See that? And it closes. Open, closes. This way is the plain. You could clearly see it's the plain side, and it looks like the back. Come over here now, it's more finished and clean. This is the front side. So all what you want to do is pop this in right back here. We're gonna screw these out, and let's see. Alright, as you see, we took that out, and now we're gonna replace it with a new one. First of all, we're gonna screw 3 on the door, faced in, the side piece. And after we screw this 3 up, then we're gonna adjust the door, pull the door back to you if you have to come closer to you, and then screw it up. It's that easy. I'll show you guys. Alright, so you look right there, I just screwed it up, and then you come over here. You want to make sure it lined up a little bit, so it looks like the top looks pretty good. What we could do, we could put 1 screw in. We hold it from the top. The bottom, we're just gonna shift the door a little bit in, and we're gonna screw that up too. And that's it. Now what to do, obviously close the door. Perfect. Come back open. And that's it. Let's change the rest of them. There it is, guys. So we change 1, 2, and 3 of them. And what do? Close your door. Perfect. Open up. As you see, gives your door a better clean finish. And some of them, if the screw, you try to put back the screw in and the hole is no good, it's not holding strong, just use a longer screw and it'll be fine. And that's it, guys. Don't take all of the hinges down at once. From the top, and then take it out, put it on. Take out the old one from the middle, put it back on, and same thing on the bottom. Take one at a time. Have your door open, wide open, so it's more easier to do. Alright, guys, there you go. Thank you guys for watching Terry of All Trades. Hopefully this video was helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna have a ton more videos to coming up. Thank you, guys.